If you're looking for garden hand tools, spades, shovels and trowels, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017. Black & Decker garden hand tools, spades, shovels and trowels. Number 1, most popular, by BLACK+DECKER. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by BLACK+DECKER. Number 3. For more details about these garden hand tools, spades, shovels and trowels, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by BLACK+DECKER. Find these garden hand tools, spades, shovels and trowels at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more garden hand tools, spades, shovels and trowels ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.